not gonna aggravate them too much, but it's a 3-day, 4-day process right here. Experiment, that's all. But yeah, that's a lot of eggs on the plate for a blood parent. She filled the whole plate up. But not too. See them making though, bro. If you fertile, everybody be like, yeah. You gonna find out. It's a nice looking fish. Hope you fertile.